So hard mewing may well be very effective, and of course it is possible to cheat the system. We know that, and this could be a good cheat.
Hard mewing is when you press the tongue against the roof of your mouth with much greater force than normally. By hard mewing, you can achieve results much faster. In just 6 months, you can achieve the same results that would take over 2 years if you hard mew. Hard mewing works if you do it for a long period of time and be consistent with it, but it's very hard work. There are 3 key things that you need to know to hard mew. First thing is that you need to generate the force from pressing the tongue's root against your palate, otherwise it won't work. The tongue's root is 100 times stronger than the tip of the tongue, so you really need to utilize this. Second thing is having good posture. Having good posture will allow you to generate huge force with the tongue's root. Good posture is having your back straight and chin slightly tucked in. If your posture is slumped, you will not be able to generate as much force with the tongue. And a third key to hard mewing is swallowing properly and frequently. Doing a tongue sweep swallow generates huge pressure onto the palate, and the more frequently you do this swallow, the faster results you will get. But just so you're aware, once you get into the habit of swallowing frequently, it will be hard to stop. So the steps I just went through cover the key tips you need to hard mew properly to maximize the efficiency of your mewing. Thanks for watching, and please do make sure to hit that subscribe button for future videos.